BMW 7 series. Handle is free like that. What is problem? Still don't know. Try to open something and look what is what. Took it out, and I see here is mechanism damaged, so I need another one. It's not going to do something without changing. BMW F series 7. To change door handle carrier. This one F01. To change this one, first what you must do, take out this. To take out this is many videos. You must take out this cover from here. Is one clip from down after you remove, and after 3 bolts. It's easy. After you drag it out, it's just clips. After one screw is there and one screw there deep. You take out a handle and take out this one. After one screw is here, and still is not possible to take it out because you must take out window. To take out window, you must lay down a little bit until you see this one, and window, here is clips like this, both clips you remove and you up window, and I took out by here little, make it not straight, and I take out window is here. After I removed this one, window lift, one screw is down there, the T30, and one screw is here, straight here. After I move it inside, I also have removed this lock actuator. Lock is 1, 2, 3. I moved it, and now this one is moving. Still not moving, but now it must move. Nothing is holding. So after it was not going. Need to take out the window rail, because this rail stands and you cannot take it out. To take out this window sliding rail, you must open one screw here under rubber, one screw there. First of all, you take out this rubber, and after from the up like this wiggle and take it out whole way. And now it dropped down, but still is no place. Now is possible. Very tricky. Or if you don't know how, it's almost impossible. screws is hidden under gummy. To take out gummy, it's also not easy, this, but what to do. And now after all that, must change it and put another one and gonna see. This one I changed because you see it's broken and not possible open from outside. Got another one, used one, gonna change and must be okay. Also, to fit that key must change. Grab this one. Here is clip, but it's already broken, so I must twist it like this, put it like this, and after together you can spin in place, well, like that. You see, I'm twisting here and it twists here, so now this bolt fits. This one is also tricky. This is anti-stealing system. If you drill it here, you found nothing. Here is like some gear, like chain, and here is lock and lock. Very safe car. Window is in place, handle is in place. Here one screw is tight, another screw is tight. Here this frame mounted back. This one, so just left some pieces and finish. This was difficult because many opening, not like other cars. But now we're gonna know how to do that, and next time gonna be easier.